Hello, Jeff here. Today I'm going to walk through how you can personalize your marketing by sending the right message to the right people using HubSpot. Now, for our purposes, we're going to imagine an imaginary business where folks can create an account and they have a free trial of this product before getting pushed into a free version of the product. That free trial lasts 14 days and they get access to all manner of different features, including some paid features. Now, ideally, these folks upgrade throughout those 14 days, but for the folks who don't, we want to send a message to them encouraging them to upgrade at the end of those 14 days. Now, this might only be relevant to people who have done any type of actions within those 14 days, and so we don't want to send this to low activity users. We want to bucket those users to receive educational content, support content, and boost up their free usage before we encourage them to upgrade. Now, in order to do this, we're going to source this information directly from where your data probably already exists, your Snowflake data warehouse or a different data warehouse that your company uses. So in Census, we're going to create this list of active users who are on a free plan and populate a list in HubSpot. But let's get stuck in. In HubSpot, I've gone ahead and created an email right here. And our imaginary business is like a digital whiteboard service called Marker. You can create canvases and share canvases. And so this is saying, hey, you've done so many things with us, we encourage you to upgrade. And of course, we only want to send this to specific users, those who have been active on within their trial and they're still on their free plan. So this list is one I've already created in HubSpot right here. And we can see that it's currently empty. And we need to populate this list with the folks who meet this criteria. In Census, I'm going to go ahead and create that segmented list and send them over. I've gone ahead and connected HubSpot over here in our Census account as a destination. And I've already gone ahead and connected Snowflake as a data source. I've told Census, hey, this table here is our users table, and this table here is our events table, which is going to allow us to create segments using our audience hub. So in audience hub here, I'm going to go ahead and create a new segment called active users that have not upgraded yet. I'm filtering down our list of users, and our total number of users is around 800. We first need to make sure that we're not sending this to paid users. So we're going to say, hey, these folks are on a free plan. And then I'm going to filter down based off of some usage numbers. So number of canvases they've created, it's more than 2. The number of canvases they've shared, let's say, is more than 2. Great. And I can go ahead and even click this in order to get a refreshed number right here for the number of users, as well as the percentage of the total list of users that we just kind of cut down. I'll save this segment and go ahead and create a sync off the back of this. So here I'm syncing this particular segment, and I am going to sync to the contact and static list object in HubSpot. I'll add folks by their email. And here I'm going to choose which list I want to add these users to. Now, I could create a new list directly from here, but I'm going to select one that's already been created within our HubSpot account. And in the future, when somebody no longer meets that criteria, we're going to go ahead and remove them from that list. I'll go ahead and click Next and run a sync. While this is running, I'm going to go ahead and set this up to run multiple times in the future and just continue running. So that way when users are added and meet this criteria, they get added into HubSpot, and when folks no longer meet this criteria, they're removed. I can go ahead and set up a schedule by going to the schedule option right here. Let's say I want to set this up to run daily at 9 a.m. Eastern. And there you have it. This will run every day. Go ahead and see that this sync is already completed. And make our way over to HubSpot in a moment. We can now see that our list has been updated with the contacts that we've segmented out in Census. And now when we send this trial usage report, we're only going to send it to the folks that it's really relevant for.